Very good morning to all my dear students. So as we have already studied how to calculate the area, okay, so this is I'm showing just for the you can say formula. Area of rectangle is given by the formula L into B, and area of square is given by the formula side into side. Okay, and you have to remember that unit for area is always square unit, square meter, square centimeter, square kilometer, and so on. And we have already started exercise 10.3 and 10.2 also I have explained you in online class. So exercise 10.3 we have already started and done few questions. So we'll continue with the exercise 10.3. So in exercise 10.3 we have done first and second question where we had to find out the area of rectangle, and in question number 2 we had to find out this area of square. Now in question number 3 also you have to do the same way. That's why I have not done that. Okay, that question was for homework. So in question number 3 length and breadth was given. Three parts were given to you and you had to calculate the area of the rectangle with the formula length into breadth. Okay, and then out of those three you have to check which one has the smallest area and which one has the largest area. So that's your homework. You have to do it by your own. Now we'll see question number 4. Now in question number 4 is a word problem in which it is given that a rectangular garden is there. Its area is 300 square meter. Okay, area of the rectangular garden is 300 square meter and its length is given to you 50 meter and you have to calculate width. So first of all we will let the breadth or width, both are same, the shorter side, be B. Now you know the formula area is equal to L into B. Now just substitute the values. The value of area is 300. The value of L is 50. It is given to you in the question. Area, the value of breadth is not given, so keep it as B only. Now since you want to find out the value of B, you will transpose other things. So B will be 300 upon 50. Now you know 0 and 0 will cancel each other and 5 6 are 30. So the width of rectangular garden will be 6 meter. Okay, since this was a word problem, so please don't forget to write the final statement. In the question it was asked what is the width of rectangular garden, so it is 6 meter. So I hope all of you are getting it. Now we'll see the next question, which is question number 5. In question number 5 it is given that you have a rectangular plot. Okay, एक rectangular plot है whose length is 500 meter and its breadth is 200 meter. Length and breadth दोनों दी हुई हैं. This rectangular plot is to be tiled. इस पे टाइल्स बिछाने. ओके, एंड टाइल्स का जो कॉस्ट है इट इज ₹8 पर 100 स्क्वायर मीटर, यानी कि 100 मीटर स्क्वायर का जो कॉस्ट है दैट इज ₹8. तो इस पूरे रेक्टेंगुलर प्लॉट को टाइलिंग करने का कितना कॉस्ट आएगा, दिस यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. So for that first you will calculate the area. Since this is a rectangular plot, area will be L into B. Okay, so area will be L into B, so it will be 500 into 200, which is nothing but 1 lakh. So it is 1 lakh square meter. ये जो है आपका rectangular plot का area है. Now for finding the cost of tiling, now directly you cannot multiply it by 8 because जो 8 दिया है इट इज़ फॉर 100 स्क्वायर मीटर. तो आपको पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, इट यू विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 8 एंड डिवाइड बाय 100. सो आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाई वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग फर्स्ट बाय 8 एंड देन डिवाइडिंग बाय 100. बिकॉज यू कैन सी कि अगर 800 स्क्वायर का है, ओके, इफ 100 meter square its cost is ₹8, so you will calculate for 1 meter square first. So 1 meter square will be ₹8 upon 100. Okay, so this will be 8 upon 100 will be the cost of 1 meter square. Now your area is 1 lakh meter square. Now you will multiply it by 8 by 100. So two zeros will cancel each other and the answer will be 8,000. That means the cost of tiling the rectangular plot is ₹8,000. So you can see I have not written over here. You will write the final statement. Cost of tiling the rectangular plot is ₹8,000. Okay. Now we'll see the last question for today, which you have to solve by your own. I'm just giving you the outline. A tabletop is given. You know what is a table? Okay, its top is in the form of a rectangle. Okay, so its length is given to you 2 meters and its breadth is given to you 1 meter 50 centimeter. Now I told you, कोई भी ऑपरेशन करने से पहले, whether you are finding the area or the perimeter, the first thing you have to check whether the units are same or not. So here you can see this is given in meters and this is given in meter and centimeter. So the first thing you will be doing is converting this breadth into meters. Okay. So 1 meter 50 centimeter will become 1.5 meter. I hope all of you remember this conversion. In the previous chapter we have done 1 plus 50 upon 100. Okay, because 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So 50 upon 100 will give you 0.5. So 1 के साथ जब आप 0.5 add करेंगे, you will get 1.5. So it will be 1.5 meter is the breadth. And then you just have to calculate the area. So what will be the area? Area will be L into B. So you will multiply 2 into 1.5 and the units will be meter square, or you can write SQ meter. Okay, like this. So this way you have to complete this exercise till question number 6. So that's all for today. I hope all of you have understood the formulae. So we'll continue in the next video. So for today you complete till question number 6. Thank you.